Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. Trying to get in the habit of picking up the camera more when I know we're getting ready to have to go do something. So today we are going to Ikea. Sarah's probably not going. I think it's just going to be me and her mom because we need to get baby girl's dresser for her room so that we can start getting her nursery together. So we're gonna go grab breakfast and then go to Ikea, and I don't really know what else is up for the day, so I'll keep you guys posted, bring you along with this when I can. Hopefully I don't forget, and yeah, see you a little bit later. Alright guys, so we're at Village Inn. I'm gonna do the VIB probably. And this girl has no idea what she's doing, but she's cool. You're gonna have what? I don't know. Probably my normal. 2 eggs, bacon, pancakes, and country potatoes. And I'm gonna do eggs, bacon, French toast, and fresh fruit. Or no, cinnamon apples. I want French toast, but the last time I had it here was in it. Yeah, her French toast and pregnancy are not where it's at for her. Nope. Alright, so just as I thought, it's just Sarah's mom and I at Ikea. Oh, I think they need this. You're not a low emitting fuel car. We're at the Ikea. But we got a PP. Ooh, so like you cannot even imagine. Man, we got stuck on 41 again. I'm glad I didn't have to go then because it was bad. And it wasn't even a damn train. It wasn't. So we're gonna do that, and then I'll take you through the store with us. I don't know how much of it we're gonna walk, but we got all day, so off we go. That was funny though. Yeah. That was. I amused the hell out of myself. I thought they had baskets up here. Alright. You gonna go down the elevator and get a basket? I thought that's what I wanted. I thought they had those up here. So you two go get us this basket. Let me see if they're around the corner. I gotta go. I'm on my way downstairs. I thought that elevator went downstairs, but it don't. How I'm gonna get there? Right? What is it?
Well, these are markers. But look at these.
They're color pencils.
No, they're watercolor pencils.
What?
How cool is that?
For who? Because you're not going to let Aiden do it.
Well, no, but I thought, why not?
You're going to let him do that? Is he going to have enough patience for it?
No. But how cool is this? Instead of buying a mobile, we
You can make one? There's our couch as a sectional.
The big one?
Yep.
I didn't know they made a big section.
I didn't know either. Or maybe I did and forgot. So I thought about something like that. But Sarah didn't like it.
I don't like it, but
I think that the back would be really comfortable.
yeah, I like the shape of it. I just don't like the extra pillow thing.
Yeah, I just thought it would be comfortable. Is this? Oh. Huh? Oh. I thought that was anchors. I was gonna say, you don't have to go to the store anymore. Okay. That's her dresser.
Can't we just take the one that's already put together?
That's what I'm saying. Can y'all just delete? Oh, these are the things.
Those are black. You want it white.
Do they not have white ones up here? Oh.
Look how pretty that would be.
Aisle 20, bin 18. That's pretty. I thought about building one for Sarah. 2018.
Do that with my mirror. I
Turn
can
it
hang
sideways?
on it. Yeah, I had no idea.
Why would you not know that? You can pretty much hang anything.
I didn't know it
Sideways.
came with like.
The ability to?
Yeah.
What did you want the mirror for?
The white one's right over there. I have it hanging up already.
But what for? What did you want it for? Did you want it so you could see your clothing or so that you could do your face?
Not that it's doing me any favors.
Huh?
Not that it's doing me any favors except encouraging me to do
This girl does not need another thing.
No, but I'm looking. Because you guys still haven't settled on any kind of bedding, have you?
Yeah, sure, we've got mattresses. I mean,
Crib sheets. But
Crib
you don't
sheets.
have a. Are you not using a?
oh, hold on, I found a book. No, you're fine. I just always buy her books. I got another book. We got to see if they have a pup. Oh, they have that, the little bear.
Where?
Over there somewhere. We got to go find the thing that goes with the book. Ooh, I wonder if they have,
We got Henry.
no, we're not. Look at the little leopard babies. Okay, hold on.
Look at those.
So,
babies.
Sarah told me I wasn't allowed to buy any more books because
Why?
of the baby shower.
Oh my God.
But I think
I
that,
think that you should buy them and give them to her at the baby shower. You've read all the other stories.
I haven't read any of the Ikea ones to her yet. No. Okay. I will probably not pay attention to the fact that that's a stuffed animal.
This is the one that Rosie carries around everywhere, and his little face has been chewed off.
Yeah, it's about time for her to get a new one.
She needs a new one.
Okay, so you think I should get these
Oh, I'm
books
getting her a big one. They got
for
big
Rosie?
ones. Yes, they got
Okay.
big ones. Look, teeth.
That thing is weird.
I love it. Look.
Oh, but it doesn't go with either of the books. They used to have this little creature thing, but I don't see
What
him.
creature? You mean
The
the
one
dog with pants?
Yeah, whatever. It's still a creature. She's getting a panda though to go with this peekaboo book. You see him over there with the pants? No, that's scary.
It's a vulture with an egg, or an eagle with an egg.
Well, but look at his face. Him looks scared.
He's upset. Somebody's trying to
What's
steal
this
his
book?
egg. Look. Look.
Oh, that's adorable. Okay, well, she's getting these 2 books.
Strawberry.
Because she can have a panda with those 2 books.
Yeah,
And
I don't see
the pandas are over there. And there's a huge family of pandas.
Oh, all right. Well, hold on. Hey, you were supposed to do a giant Henry.
I was supposed to get a what?
Big Henry.
Who?
Aiden.
We did replace it, remember?
Not his big one.
Why are we replacing the big one?
Because it got, I don't know.
For Aiden? That boy don't want that thing. Okay, the panda ones.
The panda. Feel it. It's so soft.
Hers got a panda.
What's the other 2 ones? Panda, and what's the other book?
This one?
Yeah.
But I don't see that.
Dog with pants?
Yeah, they used to have it. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's cute. Hey, the hedgehog is in here.
What? The one with the strawberry on it?
Well, it's just a hedgehog.
Oh, is this owl in there? Or a cat or a rabbit or... I don't see a fish either.
And a monkey. Bison.
I wish they had a cow. Where'd that hedgehog go? Oh.
Anaya. Here, look.
It squeaks. Well, Bailey might think this is hers.
The monkeys. The monkeys are in here.
Okay, now I gotta find a monkey.
Whole family of monkeys in this book.
I think this is an orangutan.
There's a gorilla and there's chip. No, that's a chip.
Okay. That's it. We ready?
Do we want a pig for Rosie or a rat?
A pig is cuter.
You can have both.
Because this thing, I think it's scary.
Get her a pig then. Woo! It's hot. H-O-T-T. In Topeka. Which if you've never seen Foster's Home for Imaginary Friends, you won't get that reference.
I didn't get that right.
I strongly suggest you go on YouTube and watch it. It's the one where Blue gets left at home by himself.
Oh, you heard it here first. don't know how we're gonna fit all this stuff into the vehicle.
Just like this.
Just like this?
Yeah, the boxes go in and then this goes in and then all the crap goes in the middle of the table.
Alrighty then. You heard it here first. You heard it here first.
I got this.
Alright. I feel like we need a toilet brush.
Well, then you should get one.
For the upstairs bathroom.
Well, I think there's 3 upstairs bathrooms. Be a tad bit more specific.
Our room. I like to leave the one in the spare room because you just never know.
The other little thing is just like a wallet on a string.
It all made it. You know,
It's all in the car because we is experts.
and we is sweaty.
Oh my God, like you are not even.
Yo, I'm getting my jawline back.
I wish I had a jawline. You know what I would like to see again someday?
What?
These. I know that they're called collarbones, but I don't have any there. I'm jello.
I mean, I kind of got some.
I got none.
That's all right. Mom and I are gonna start going to Crunch. I'm gonna try to go at least twice a week, just because of my work schedule. Mom's gonna try to go every day.
Let's be real, that's not gonna happen.
She's probably gonna go the same days that I go, so we'll see what
If
happens.
I can go 3 days a week. Ooh, I don't know what that was.
Probably the picture frame thing, the picture ledges.
Yeah, if I can get there 3 days a week to start, I will be happy with that progress because it'll be from 0 days a week to 3 days a week, and anything like that is progress.
Just start off slow though.
Yeah, no, we won't start with tread and shit.
Is it open on Sunday?
It's open 7 days a week.
You want to try to go tomorrow?
Yes.
We can go after church.
Look, yeah, we gotta Google what the class schedule is because I think that would be a good place. I mean, you could work out, but a class would be a good place for me to start.
But you can do what I do. You just start off with less reps, and
I want to walk the next day. Yeah.
all right. So we're on the way to the house. I guess
We'll get back with you when we start assembling.
Look at her go. You want to start yourself a YouTube channel?
Nobody cares what I do with my life. I gotta be honest. Nobody cares what I do with my life.
But that's okay. What she said. You heard? Alright y'all, so I definitely forgot to end the vlog. I don't want to show all of the nursery because it's not done yet, so we're not ready to show it. But we did get baby girl's dresser put together, so I will show you that. This is her dresser. Let me stand over here in front of the closet so you can't see anything behind me, in front of me. You know what I mean. Anyway, super excited we got that done. We got a lot of stuff taken care of in her room. I'm out of breath. Just came up the stairs. We sat outside in front of the fire for a little bit tonight. But just really grateful, really thankful for all the help we've gotten thus far from our family and friends. Just trying to get stuff together and get the room prepared and the house prepared and stuff for baby girl's arrival. We're cloth diapering, so if you guys want to see my take on that, some of the stuff we have for cloth diapering, leave it down below in the comments. I mean, I'll probably do it anyway just because I feel like it's good information, especially for people who may have a misconception about the whole thing. So yeah, drop it in the comments below if you want to hear that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next vlog, fam. Holla.